Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be showing how to remove the front bumper on a B5.5 Passat, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by removing these torque screws under the wheel well. Next, I'm going to remove these two screws at the top. And now I'm going to remove the hood latch handle. To avoid breaking the clips on the grille, I'm not going to completely remove it. I'm going to fold it forward to gain access to remove the remaining screws. I removed the passenger side marker bulb, and now I'm going to release the fog light socket. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the driver's side. Remove the passenger side marker bulb, then release the fog light socket. And that's going to be it for this front bumper removal. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.